Picture this. You're standing on a cruise ship, surrounded by people paying extra for upgrades, spa treatments, and little luxuries, and you're getting all of it completely free. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Cruise lines are sitting on a gold mine of hidden perks that most passengers never touch, simply because nobody told them to ask. Today, Cruisify is pulling back the curtain on 22 things you can get on your next cruise for absolutely nothing. These aren't hacks or loopholes. They're quiet, built-in comforts that are yours the moment you step on board. You just need to know the magic words. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. And if you're new here, welcome to Cruisify, where we make every voyage smarter, richer, and a whole lot more rewarding. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss another insider secret like this one. Let's start with one of the coziest secrets on the ship. Most standard cabins don't come with a bathrobe sitting on the hook, but that doesn't mean you can't have one. Ships keep a quiet stash of robes tucked away in storage, ready for anyone who knows to ask. Just ring your cabin steward and say, "Could I please get a bathrobe for the room?" That's the entire conversation. No upgrade required, no charge slipped under the door. What you get in return is something that no price tag can fully capture. Stepping out onto your private balcony at sunrise. Wrapped in that thick, soft robe, ocean breeze hitting your face, coffee in hand. That right there is 5-star living at zero cost. Right alongside the bathrobe is its quieter companion, the cabin slippers. Suites get them automatically. Standard rooms? Not so much. But the moment you ask your cabin attendant, a fresh, wrapped pair appears at your door like magic. They're perfect for padding around your room, keeping your feet warm on cool sea mornings, or stepping out onto the balcony at night without hunting for your shoes. It's one of those tiny touches that shifts the whole atmosphere of your cabin from basic to boutique. And it costs you exactly nothing. Bad sleep on a cruise is one of the most common complaints and also the most completely unnecessary. Here's what most passengers don't know. Cruise lines quietly maintain a pillow menu. Memory foam, hypoallergenic, extra firm, cloud soft. Options exist for every preference. All you have to do is ask your cabin steward, "Do you have any different pillow types available?" Within minutes, they'll swap your existing ones or bring in extras. On a 7-night sailing, the difference between the wrong pillow and the right one is the difference between waking up exhausted every single morning or sleeping like you're in a 5-star resort. Ask once. Sleep better for the entire trip. If the bed feels like it was designed for someone tougher than you, you're not alone, and you don't have to suffer through it. Most ships carry a small number of mattress toppers in storage, specifically for guests who request them. One polite question to your attendant, is it possible to get a mattress topper added to the bed? And your sleeping surface transforms from stiff to genuinely comfortable. It's the kind of invisible upgrade that changes your entire cruise energy. Better sleep means better days, and better days mean you actually enjoy the vacation you worked hard to pay for. Towels. This one sounds obvious, but it catches more people than you'd think. Cruise cabins are stocked with the minimum, just enough for 2 people per day. Nobody is going to automatically bring you more unless you speak up. So speak up. Tell your cabin steward at the start of your trip, "Could we get a couple of extra towels each day?" That includes bath towels, hand towels, and beach or pool towels for shore days. No more sharing damp towels, no more borrowing from the pool deck, no more rationing. Simple request, instant comfort upgrade. Loving these tips? Subscribe to Cruisify. We drop insider cruise secrets every week that the brochures will never tell you. Alaska cruisers, Norway sailors, anyone tackling an Atlantic crossing in autumn, this one is for you. There are few things more magical than sitting on your balcony wrapped in a warm blanket while glaciers drift past or the northern lights start their performance. And that blanket? Free. Most ships keep a small supply of outdoor or balcony blankets in storage, but they will never advertise them. Just ask your cabin attendant, "Could I get a blanket for balcony use?" And one will appear. Cold weather cruising just got a whole lot cozier. Here's a detail that separates a romantic balcony evening from a truly elegant one: real glassware. Many standard cabins don't include wine or champagne glasses, but every bar on the ship has more than enough. Ask your cabin steward or step into any bar and say, "Could I borrow 2 wine glasses for my room?" Done. Now pour yourself something nice, watch the sun sink into the ocean, and tell me that doesn't feel like a luxury moment. The glass didn't cost you anything extra. The experience? Priceless. Your cabin already has an ice bucket. What most people miss is that refilling it is a service you can have running automatically. You just have to ask once. Tell your steward, "Could you please top up the ice bucket each evening?" From that point forward, it happens quietly, without you lifting a finger. Cold drinks on demand, medication kept cool, no running to the buffet for ice. It's a tiny convenience that creates a surprisingly big difference in how your cabin feels day to day. If you've been on a cruise before, you probably remember coming back to your cabin to find a swan or elephant sitting on your bed. That tradition hasn't died, it's just gone quiet. Most attendants won't do it unless they sense you'd enjoy it, so give them that signal. Mention casually, "We love towel animals, if you ever have a spare minute." We'd be thrilled. That one comment is usually all it takes. They'll surprise you throughout the trip, and if you're sailing with kids, those little moments become some of the most memorable parts of the whole vacation. Before you head ashore for a beach day or snorkeling trip, stop and ask your cabin attendant for excursion towels. Most cruise lines provide them for this exact purpose: sandy, wet, ocean-ready towels that are meant to leave the ship. But here's the catch: they don't hand them out automatically. Ask the night before, "Could we have towels set aside for our shore excursion tomorrow?" And they'll be waiting for you. Your cabin towels stay clean and dry, your suitcase stays lighter, and your day ashore is just a little more effortless. If you're finding these helpful, hit subscribe. Cruisify brings you the tips that make every sailing feel first class without the first class price tag. Tucked inside the fitness center locker rooms on many ships, particularly older vessels from Holland America, Princess, and some Carnival ships, is something most guests stroll right past: a free sauna. While others are paying for thermal suite access, you could be enjoying the same heat therapy for absolutely nothing. Just walk into the gym and ask the staff, "Is the locker room sauna available for general use?" If the answer is yes, you're in. Post-workout, post-port day, or just because. It's a genuine wellness luxury hiding in plain sight. The spa is one of the most expensive corners of any cruise ship, but on embarkation day, it briefly becomes one of the most generous. As passengers are still finding their cabins and exploring the ship, the spa team sets up complimentary mini treatments to introduce themselves. We're talking 5-minute neck massages, hand scrubs, aromatherapy demos, mini facials. All free. Right after you board, swing by the spa and ask, "Are you offering any complimentary samples today?" You'll almost always walk away feeling pampered, and sometimes with a product sample or booking discount tucked in your hand. One of the most underrated, elegant, and completely free experiences on a cruise ship is afternoon tea. It's the kind of ritual that feels like it belongs in a luxury hotel, and on many cruise lines, it quietly does. Real china, teacups, finger sandwiches, pastries, miniature desserts, gentle music, and ocean views. It's all tucked into your daily planner under a heading like afternoon tea service or elegant tea. Ask at the dining room or guest services, is there an afternoon tea today? And if there is, carve out an hour. It's the most civilized 2 hours you'll spend at sea. First time cruisers, gather around, because this one genuinely surprises almost everyone. You are not limited to one starter, one main, one dessert. That's not how cruise dining works. You can order 2 appetizers, 3 desserts, or ask to try something twice. Nobody will blink. Just tell your waiter, I'd love to try both the soup and the shrimp cocktail to start, or could I have the chocolate lava cake and the creme brulee? They'll bring both, happily. This is the freedom of cruise dining, and it's one of the best quiet luxuries rolled into your fare. Here's a genuinely impressive insider move. If a dish from the previous night's menu had you thinking about it all day, you can ask the kitchen to make it again. Or request something simple that isn't listed: a fruit platter, a cheese board, a plain salad. The galley is enormous and the team is accommodating. Just say to your waiter that pasta from last night was incredible. Any chance the kitchen could prepare it again? Or would it be possible to get a small cheese plate? More often than not, they'll make it happen. Personalized dining, no surcharge, just one polite ask. Before you stand in the buffet line with everyone else, here's a quieter option, and it's completely free. Continental breakfast delivered to your cabin while the ocean drifts by outside your balcony door. Most major cruise lines offer this as a standard service. The process is simple. Fill out the breakfast card in your cabin. Hang it on the door before midnight, and your tray arrives right on schedule in the morning. Coffee, juice, fruit, pastries, all included. No delivery fee, no early morning rush. Just you, your balcony, and a calm start to another day at sea. Late-night cravings are real, and room service isn't always the answer. Here's a simpler solution. Take food back to your cabin from the buffet or dining room. Most cruise lines are perfectly fine with this, they just don't announce it. After dinner, ask your waiter, would it be all right to take a few slices of pizza or some dessert back to the room? They'll wrap it up, cover it, and send you on your way. Perfect for midnight snacking, for someone in the cabin who isn't feeling well, or for a slow morning when you want something ready and waiting without ordering anything fresh. There are multiple moments throughout your cruise where free drinks are being poured, and most passengers walk right past them without realizing it. The captain's welcome reception, art auctions, loyalty gatherings. These events almost always feature complimentary champagne, wine, or cocktails. The strategy is simple. Check your daily planner, find these events, and arrive a few minutes early. The drinks flow before the crowds fully gather, and nobody is checking drink packages at the door. Mingle, enjoy the music, sip something nice, and sign absolutely nothing. If you've never been on a cruise before, this one is going to catch you off guard. Every night, the main theater puts on a full production: singers, dancers, elaborate costumes, special effects, live orchestras, and your ticket costs nothing. It's already rolled into your fare. The caliber of these shows has genuinely improved in recent years. Some newer ships run productions that would hold their own against West End or Broadway performances. Check your daily planner for showtimes, arrive 10 minutes early for a good seat, and enjoy a world-class evening of entertainment that on land would cost you $100 or more. For a quieter evening, check what's showing on the ship's screen. Most cruise ships run regular film screenings in a dedicated theater, in a lounge, or on the famous outdoor poolside screen under the night sky. New releases, family films, documentaries, classics, there's usually a rotation throughout the voyage. No ticket, no booking, no charge. Ask at guest services, what movies are showing this week? And plan a few cinema nights into your sailing. There's something magical about watching a film on deck with the stars above you and the ocean moving slowly below. Don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Cruisify and sail smarter on every single voyage. If this video helped you, Cruisify would love to see you hit that like button and subscribe. We're here every week with the insider knowledge that makes your sailing feel like an upgrade without spending an extra cent. Drop a comment below. Which of these 20 are you trying first? We're reading every single one. Fair winds and happy sailing.